Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Play Store not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option app management. Now click on it and then click on app list. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Google Play Store. Now click on it and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the storage and cache memory of Google Play Store. After clear storage and cache, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update internet connection. After that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.